Hi friends, today I have something for you here in my hand. Here is one rose flower. So, I want to ask you something about this flower. Can you tell me 2-3 words about this flower or 2-3 sentences about this flower? I know telling sentence is very hard for you. So, you just tell me 2-3 words about this flower. For example, I will tell you one like this is yellow flower. Now you can tell me any other example. Yes, it's a beautiful flower. Very good. So in this way we have used 2 words to tell something about this flower. Means here we have used the word yellow. Even we can say it's a beautiful flower. We have used the word beautiful. Means by using the word yellow and beautiful we have described this flower. So the word which we use to describe something. The word which we use to describe something is called as describing word, and in our grammatical language we call it as an adjective. So our today's topic is describing word or adjective. So let us start. What is the spelling of describing word? D-E-S-C-R-I-B-I-N-G. Describing words. W-O-R-D. Yes. And what is the another name for describing word? Correct. Adjectives. So, A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E-S. My dear friends, adjectives or describing words are very much important while speaking because it makes our speech effective. Suppose simply you are going to your mama and you are saying, "Mummy, I want something to eat." It will not be so much effective. But if you will ask your mama, "Mummy, I want the delicious food which you have cooked," how your mama will feel? Immediately she will give you that. It means it is making effective. Means you are describing your mama's food as delicious food and it is impressive. Like this, whenever we are using some describing word, our speech becomes effective. Even if we want to tell something negative, if we are really unhappy about something, that time also we can use some words. Just if we will say something like, "This is not good what you have done." But if we will use some more describing word, that "this much carelessness is not good." So like this, describing word makes our speech effective. So in the same way as we have described just now this flower here, we can describe many more things. So now I am going to show you some other things and you describe those things. Here I have another flower. Yes. Can you describe this flower by using any 1 or 2 words? Yes. Always we can say flowers are beautiful. So the first word for the flower will be beautiful. What is the spelling of beautiful? B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Another any describing word for this? Yes, it's a red flower. So I will write here red. Red is also a describing word. My dear friends, keep in mind that we can describe one thing in a different way. We can think about its color, about its appearance. We can, in color, we know as many colors are there. We can use the colors as describing word. We can use the appearance like whether it is beautiful, whether it is ugly. Like this, we can use the appearance. In the same way, we can think about the size of particular thing. We can think about the shape of a thing. In the same way, suppose we are describing about our mother. If I want to tell you something about my mother, you don't know about my mother, you have not seen my mother. At that time, I can explain, and by explaining, you can come to know how my mother can be. Suppose I will tell you, my mother is a very kind lady. She is very beautiful. She cooks very delicious food. So in this way, you can come to know how is my mother. Means we can describe something, some person or anything which we want. So just now we have described this flower. In the same way, I will show you something. In this flower, one more thing is there to describe. Here you can see, here are leaves. How many leaves are there? Here are 2 leaves. So we can say 2 leaves are there to this flower. So 2 will be the describing word. 2 will be the describing word for here. So I know you all know that 2 is a number name, 2 is a noun, but it depends upon the use of 2. Where we are using the number. If we are using the number to describe leaves, here are 2 leaves. In this sentence, it can be describing word. Very good. It can be adjective. Whenever we are using number to describe something, that time it will be the adjective. And now, even we can describe leaves by using a color. Color name, yes, it's a green flower. So, green is also G-R-E-E-N, green. Green is also a describing word here. So, in this way we have described this flower. Now here one more thing I have. What is this? Yes, it's a biscuit packet. So, already now color 2 examples we have taken. Green, red, red, green. So, we will not repeat about the color. You tell me how is the shape of this biscuit. By watching this upside picture, you can tell me how is the shape of this biscuit. It's round in shape. So, we can say round is the describing word for this. R-O-U-N-D, round. Round is the describing word. Okay. In the same way, if we think about the taste of this biscuit, yes, biscuit is sweet. So, sweet will be the next describing word. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Here one more thing I have to show you. It's a doll. So, if I touch this doll, you see, if I touch this ball, I can describe this doll by using one special word. Red already we have taken. We don't want any color now. We want to describe this doll by using some different word. Can you tell me any other word for this? It's a very cute doll. Yes, very good. So we can use here word cute. C-U-T-E, cute. Even we can use another word for this doll. It's a very soft doll. So I will write here S-O-F-T, soft. In the same way, I have here another thing to show you. Here I have one wooden plug. If we touch this wooden plug, I feel very hard or rough. So hard or rough, it will be the adjective for this. So here I will write hard, H-A-R-D, hard, or rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough. Did you understand the adjective? One more thing here I have to show you. Here is a clock. Okay. So already red adjective we have written here. Red describing word we have written here. Any other adjective for this? Yes, you are correct. We can say it's a small clock. We can say it's a small clock. Yes, M-A-L-L, small. It's a small clock. In the same way, I will show you one more thing here. Here I have one box. Yes, we can use for this as a big box. So here I will write the adjective big. So my dear friends, I think you may have understood what is describing word. Okay. So some more examples I will tell you orally. You tell me answer. What adjective or which adjective can be used for ice or ice cream? Yes, very good. We can say cold ice cream. C-O-L-D, cold ice cream or cold ice. Coffee, we can use cold for coffee also because we can get cold coffee also. Even we can use hot. or coffee or tea, we can say it's a hot coffee or hot tea. Okay. In the same way, we can use some adjective for the medicine. Some medicines are sweet, so we like to eat. But some medicines we don't like to eat. Why do we not like to eat that? Correct, because some medicines are bitter in taste. B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. So, my dear friends, did you understand describing word? So, in this way, we can use different describing word to tell something about some person, about anything, about a bird, about a tree. We can describe anything in this world by using the describing words. Okay? Did you understand? Thank you. Bye.